Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about atomic mass unit. What is the meaning of atomic mass unit? AMU stands for atomic mass unit. Okay, one atomic mass unit is exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon 12. Now, what is the meaning of carbon 12? It means it is that isotope of carbon. Okay, there are two isotopes of carbon, for example, C12 and C14. So we are not taking C14. This is the mass of carbon 12. It means that carbon, that isotope of carbon, which having atomic mass 12. So you may say that it is a standard to measure the atomic mass of other elements with respect to the mass of carbon 12. The best it is described in your book that a watermelon, okay, piece of watermelon that is taken as the standard to measure the weight of other fruits. Okay, this is the same. Now, size of atom. Next topic is size of atom. What is the size of atom? The size of atom is very small. Okay, the radius of atom is measured in nanometers, and 1 nanometer is 1 divided by 10 raised to power 9. Now if you will find out it, okay, it means 1 divided by 1 and 9 times 0. So this will be a very small value. Okay, our eye is not able to watch or see this. So atom is very small, even we can't imagine it. Okay, atoms of elements are not separable, we can't separate. Atoms, they do not exist independently. Okay, they exist in the form of molecules or ions. These molecules and ions aggregate in a large number. It means large number of molecules will combine or aggregate to form matter which we can see. Okay, that is the matter which we can see, which is made up of molecules. Okay, so what is molecule? From here, from this discussion, we can say that in a molecule is group of two or more atoms. Okay, these two atoms may be same or may be different. These two atoms may be same or different. Okay, now for example, when hydrogen combines with hydrogen, okay, same atoms they are combining to form hydrogen gas. Okay, they are combining to form hydrogen gas. Next is hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, it means here different atoms are combining to form molecule. Now see, molecule is a group of two or more atoms. These atoms may be same or different. Okay, the result of combining of atoms, okay, is a molecule. And the chemical properties of molecule different from the constituting elements, that is different from the constituting elements. Okay, so it was all about for today. That is atomic mass unit we have discussed, then size of atom and molecule. Thank you and have a nice day.